Welcome back, guys. I have a mouthful of Starburst.
He does have a mouthful of Starburst. I managed to swallow mine pretty quickly, though. They are juicy.
Where are we going?
We are going to get our work order signed so that Gladys can pimp our ride. So back up to the elevator. And yes, we're going to end up in the land of the living this episode is our goal. But
I hope.
We're behind because freaking Domino sent our driver home early because he's a douchebag. I hate Domino.
Okay. Who's that?
Yeah, so you just need to pull it out of your lapel.
Yes.
There you
go. Cards, bread. Oh, there it was.
Shouldn't leave that bread in there for too long, though.
It's fine. It's bread.
Okay.
If I really need the boss to sign this work,
She's gonna be like, now.
I'll give it a shot. Mr. Copel, Mr. Calavera has something out here that he says he needs his signature on.
God, I was so right about that.
Yes.
Yay. That was the only thing that made sense, though. She's like, fine.
It's like, all right.
You'll have to excuse
That's some great hair.
I love her glasses.
Yeah, she's so like 50s. I love it. Very retro. So cool. I do love this game. The art is amazing. Old school LucasArts. Win.
Well, we all have our secrets.
Zippo!
This is what confuses me. How do they smoke if they're skeletons?
How do they do anything if they're
Ooh.
skeletons? Nice.
That was a very.
Pippa, yes! Gladys! Look at him go!
Oh, and we're in our
Reaper gear.
Yes.
It's alive. Yes! Our car is so cool.
He has to reach his hands in through the window.
That's great. Oh, Gladys. Who would have thought this guy would be awesome when he, came out of there? I thought he was going to be mean.
Me too.
That's so cool.
Oh.
I like how he has to make the car noises.
I mean, I make car noises when I drive.
Yes, we're on the road! Whoa, these are some weird streets. I don't know what we're... Well, okay, I'm confused. Por favor.
walk faster than this. Híjole, I'm gonna miss the poisoning.
Well, you were, like, goofing around for quite a while there.
Yeah.
That might have been our fault, though.
Whoa!
I don't like the land of the living. I'm scared. This is...
Ooh, is this what living people look like?
Ooh, I'm freaked out.
Oh, I bet that's... What's his face?
Domino.
Yeah, it was.
He had a girl with him, too, of course.
Ooh! Oh! God, this is
Hey,
horrifying.
look at that burger and fries. That looks delicious.
Yeah, I want that.
He just goes right over the corpse.
Or whatever that is.
I have to say, this food.
I don't think they can eat, though, because he's dead.
I can't repair cows or a whole
Aw.
not to mention the
The Department of Veggie Death. That would be awesome.
bound only by the
Oh, I'm freaked out. This is creepy, you guys.
a soul here lies.
What is with that huge hand of that waitress up there behind that?
This one. Ooh!
It's like Rockin' Hand.
I don't like their faces. They're like cut out of magazines.
They are. This is like a ransom note. But the only thing that looks good is the food. I'm really excited about that.
Ooh.
I can't carry the whole package.
Okay, so he said he can't use his hands. There we go.
Yeah.
And reap that son of a bitch.
Sorry, I was like disturbingly distracted by the background and...
Yeah.
Whoa! Yay!
Oh, okay.
So cool. Who's this guy?
Oh, hey, we got one.
Okay, cool. Hopefully this guy's awesome. Like, our other dude was a schlub.
We offer several travel package upgrades.
Oh, he's so
you're
small.
tiny.
Thanks, Gladys. Yes.
Of course.
Gladys is like, yes. I don't think we're gonna recognize our car next time
no,
we see it.
No. He's got all sorts of plans. Look at his eyes. He's going crazy about it.
Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see what he does. Oh no, it's gonna be out of control. Oh yeah. He's just like insulating him in there.
Qualify for anything better.
We cannot get somebody good to
Ooh.
save our life.
No, wait. Can't you find me something where I can move my legs?
Nope.
You know I'd like to, Bruno. But my boss is a real hard ass.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
I gotta be a hard ass when I got lazy sickle waivers like this jolly boy working for me.
Oh no.
Manny, you couldn't find a sale at a yacht club.
I got a sale right here.
I'm talking premium sales, Calavera.
Well, Domino's an asshole.
High domino,
He
eh?
cheats.
How am I supposed to make premium sales with the scumbag clients you're sending me.
Also a fair point. He's like, I'm still alive over here. Oh man. Uh-oh, we've got to find somebody good.
Yeah.
Alright. Why do we even work for this guy? He's abusive.
He's so mean.
He is.
Aw.
Poor Manny. Let's just fill this guy's mouth up with insulation.
Yep, there we go.
He's done.
He's like, I'm done with this guy.
That was great.
Okay.
Sick of waiting around for a good lead. Like it's gonna fly in here, tied to a
Okay,
brick.
we're gonna
It's time to take one.
take one. So we have to go break into Domino's office probably, or...
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, we could... Oh, yeah, he keeps his door locked. There has to be something we can do. There are message tubes and all sorts of things, so maybe we can somehow...
Oh, it's open.
Ooh. But he's gonna be in there.
I don't care.
Okay. Of course. Ew, he's all sweaty. How can he be sweaty?
Sweatiest man in the Sweat this out, Callie, and you. Well, at least you're not hitting the bottle.
Ooh.
Hey, Callie, how you doing?
How'd you make out of the poisoning?
So, how'd you make out of the
All the
poisoning?
best.
Well, let's just say that Sister Calabaza has a secret passion.
Oh, I was wondering what was up with his mouth. He had a mouth guard.
Yeah.
Got a nun?
He got a freaking nun.
Taking
Asshole.
a number 9 drink. Choo choo, little buddy.
We got like a little criminal dude or something.
Say, how'd you score?
I got 2 nuns actually.
I got a mean midget. I had to send parcel post.
I mean, midget, I had to send parcel post.
I like his other one. I got 2 nuns.
Yeah, well, I got 2 nuns.
I want to punch you in the mouth.
I want to punch you in the mouth. Oh, no.
No, the Christmas party. Oh, poor man.
Let's see here.
Yeah, let's get serious here.
Shoot, slugger.
Can I have one of your clients?
Can I have one of your clients? Sure, Cal. Just as soon as I get what I think you can handle. I can handle anything you got, especially if that's your best right jab.
Ooh.
How is it hard to kiss up to the boss so much
Yes.
with no
Is it
lips?
hard to kiss up to the boss so much when you got no lips? Hey, I got all the lips I need. I get it from you.
Oh.
Oh man, Domino's the alpha male in the office.
Why do you get all the good points?
Because he's the alpha male in the office.
Yeah.
Wrong guy. You should be taking a good long look at the man in the
Oh.
thanks. I don't enjoy that the same way you do.
Man, they're both good though. Holy
Yeah.
cow. I don't... Who
They
doesn't?
just go back and forth.
I wish I was that clever, yeah. Holy cow.
Screw up and get stuck here at the DOT.
Department of
What sin
Death.
did you commit and how long?
Oh, we're having a cat fight outside the door.
Ooh.
Well, I could easily ask the
Wow,
same
it's
question,
rambunctious.
but I don't know the answer. I still don't know what I've done. Well, how convenient. Then neither do I.
Alright, so what happened at the key doesn't even remember.
Let's find out.
Down on the whole thing, huh? Maybe you should switch to lemonade. Kid.
Ooh.
Okay. I think we got all the info from him. I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, well, there was a furious cat fight going on that distracted
Yeah.
me, but we have to figure out what to do next year.
Let's check this out.
Hey, Dom. What's your screensaver password? Get away from me. Hey, Dom.
Can we go mess
Dang.
with his minibar?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's some premium looking
I wonder if we could like put.
So, Manny,
Ooh.
just so you don't forget
Oh,
the
asshole.
premium taste.
Okay. He's like, sure.
Yep. That.
Man, I
Oh.
wish we had some premium scotch right now.
I want to take it. Oh nope. I'm just
Keep doing it.
just drinking now.
Just get shit faced in Domino's office.
Yup.
Yeah.
There we go. That should do.
That's too funny.
Call the company shrink if I let him through the window.
Oh, can we open his window?
Ooh, ooh.
Can we unlock it?
He's got a lock. You can't believe he doesn't trust me.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
of
Oh, is
course.
that? Wait,
Ooh.
did he have a lock on his window or a lock on his message tube?
I don't have desk drawers.
I think on his.
Hey, get out of there,
Oh.
Man, he doesn't have desk drawers.
Hey, get out of there.
Okay, I think we have to distract him somehow.
I don't think we have a computer either in our office.
No.
Can we go talk to the boss? Is he in his office? Oh, we
Oh,
do
we
have a
do.
computer. What's on our computer?
I don't know. Let's figure that out. Yeah. No, stop.
We don't have desk drawers.
No, we don't.
My computer gives me instant access to our database of deadbeats.
Okay.
Can we use it?
Portable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if we have any leads here.
I should close Bruno's record before the black mark burn into my screen.
Mm. Oh.
Guess not.
Check this out.
Can you put the bread in there?
I wonder.
That'd be funny.
Let's see.
Yeah, we gotta figure out what to do.
Oh.
Really?
Oh.
It's
It's working.
Maybe we're gonna jam it.
Oh. Something's happening.
Ooh. Crumbs. Okay, so what?
I don't know what that did.
It must have been supposed to happen though, or else. I wonder if we can go get another loaf of bread.
Maybe.
Well, we got crumbs everywhere somewhere. And I feel like it has something to do with the pigeons too, because they said Domino was afraid of the pigeons and breadcrumbs and pigeons, so I don't know if
I think I know where we gotta go. We gotta go back up to the window.
up to the window. And while we swing by, we can go grab another loaf of bread.
Yeah, exactly. But we'll do that in the next episode.
Sounds good.
Until then, I'll see you later.
Later, guys.